Welcome, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am Barun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Jazira Mohar Ali Model High School, Jazira, Shariatpur. Presentation English, second paper, class 6 to 9. Follow. Only Allah can help us. Negative. None but Allah can help us. Next sentence, he is only 10. Negative, he is not more than 10. Next sentence, we must respect our parents. Negative, we cannot but respect our parents. Let's discuss transformation of sentences in today's class. Affirmative to negative. Some rules of changing form affirmative into negative. Affirmative, negative. Only, alone. আল্লাহ পারছন, অর্থাৎ আল্লাহ পারছন, আল্লাহ বা ব্যক্তি থাকলে নেগেটিভে নান বাট হবে। অ্যাফার্মেটিভ, অনলি হি ক্যান ডু দ্য ওয়ার্ক। নেগেটিভ, নান but he can do the work. Only things, বস্তু বুঝাইলে nothing but. Affirmative, he wants only a computer. Negative, he wants nothing but a computer. Only number or age, not more than, not less than. Affirmative, he is only 10 years. Negative, he is not more than 10 years. Or he is not less than 10 years. Must, have to, has to. Cannot but, cannot help. Cannot help থাকলে মূল ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি যোগ হয়। Affirmative, you must respect your teachers. Negative, you cannot but respect your teachers. Both dash dash and. Negative, not only but also. Affirmative, both you and he will go there. Negative, not only you but also he will go there. Every plus noun অথবা all plus noun থাকলে আমরা তিনটি স্ট্রাকচারে করতে পারব। There is a no plus noun plus but plus verb plus extension. Next structure, there is no noun plus who plus to be verb or do verb, not plus verb plus extension. Third structure, negative, no plus noun plus opposite of verb, adjective oblique noun, adverb. Example, every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Everybody likes flowers. There is nobody who does not like flowers. All men here are poor. There no man here are rich. Do you understand, dear student? Some rules of changing form affirmative into negative. Always, negative, never plus antonym of head word. Affirmative, I always agreed with him. Negative, I never disagreed with him. Head word, agreed. 2-2, subject plus verb plus so, adjective, that plus subject, again, cannot, could not, plus verb. Past tense হলে can, could not, present tense হলে cannot বসাতে হবে। Example, affirmative, he is too weak to walk. Negative, he is so weak that he cannot walk. If the sentence expresses universal truth, negative auxiliary verb plus not plus subject plus extension plus question mark. Negative interrogative. Example, affirmative, health is wealth. Isn't health wealth? As dash dash as. Negative, not less dash dash than. Shumi was as wise as Rumi. Negative, Shumi was not less than Rimi. তাহলে ফার্স্ট অ্যাজের স্থলে নট লেস, সেকেন্ড অ্যাজের স্থলে দেন বসাতে হবে। অ্যাজ সুন অ্যাজ, নো সোনার হ্যাট প্লাস সাবজেক্ট প্লাস V3 প্লাস অবজেক্ট প্লাস দেন প্লাস সেকেন্ড সেন্টেন্স। অ্যাফার্মেটিভ, অ্যাজ সুন অ্যাজ দ্য থিপ saw the police, he ran away. No sooner had the thief seen the police than he ran away. Dear student, let's go next slides. Some rules of changing from affirmative into negative. Affirmative, negative. Superlative degree. Negative in no other plus the next part of the superlative degree plus verb plus so plus positive form as plus subject. Example, affirmative, he is the best boy in the class. Negative, no other boy in the class as is so good as he. Sometimes. Affirmative, sometimes. Negative, not always. Not always. My friend sometimes visit me. My friend does not always visit me. Many থাকলে not a few. Affirmative, there are many people here. Negative, there are not a few people here. A few, negative, not many. I have a few books. Negative, I have not many books. A little থাকলে নেগেটিভে নট মাস। আই ওয়ান্ট এ লিটল মিল্ক। আই ডু নট ওয়ান্ট মাস মিল্ক। মাস থাকলে নেগেটিভে নট এ লিটল হয়। হি হ্যাজ মাস মানি। হি হ্যাজ নট আ লিটল মানি। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, সাম এক্সাম্পল অফ অপোজিট ওয়ার্ডস। What? Antonym, what? Antonym. Friend, foe. Grateful, ungrateful. Moral, immoral. Pleased, displeased. Good, bad. Absent, present. Mortal, immortal. Possible, impossible. Regular, irregular. Literate, illiterate. Active, inactive. Responsible, irresponsible. Wise, unwise. Doubtful, undoubtful. Remember, forget. Independent, dependent. Rich, poor. Real, unreal. Love, hate. Always, never. Some example of opposite words. What? Antonym, what? Antonym. Happy, unhappy. Ordinary, extraordinary. Present, absent. Willing, unwilling. Healthy, unhealthy. Obey, disobey. Rich, poor. Obedient, disobedient. Honest, dishonest. Solved, insolvent. Solvent, insolvent. Right, wrong. Hard, easy. Honestly, dishonestly. Comfortable, uncomfortable. Agreed, disagreed. Sincere, insincere. Punctual, late. Conscious, unconscious. Polite, impolite. Kind, unkind. Let's go and practice. Number one, the meritorious. Number one, only the meritorious will get the job. None but the meritorious will get the job. Number 2, Rashid was alone alive in the accident. Rashid was none but alive in the accident. Number 3, I bought only chocolates for my son. I bought nothing but chocolates for my son. He has only 2 handsets. He has nothing but 2 handsets. Number 5, we must obey our elders. We cannot but obey our elders. Athova, we cannot help obeying our elders. He is always sick. He is never well. He is too weak to walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Number 8, the freedom fighters are both honorable and remembered. The freedom fighters are not only honorable and but also remembered. Number 9, as soon as I got the job, I informed my parents. No sooner had I gotten the job than I informed my parents. Number 10, every man wants to be crowned of success. There is no man who does not want to be crowned of success. Whom talks? Number 1, a patriot is respected by all. Number 2, honesty is the best policy. Number 3, knowledge is power. Number 4, I have a few friends. Number 5, he had many friends, but they did not come to assist him at his rainy day. 6, there is a little water in the glass. Number 7, Mr. Shashan has much popularity in the society. Number 8, man is mortal. Number 9, Dhaka is an old city. Number 10, Anupama is strong in English. Thanks to all.